something very important concept: overloading. Overloading. What is overloading? If at all a function more than one time in a class, if at all a function more than one time in a class with different arguments like type of args, comma number of args. If we write then that concept is overriding, overloading. If at all a function more than one time in a class with different arguments like type of arguments, number of arguments, if we write then that concept is called overloading concept. Same function I am writing number of times. So if you write same function number of times, automatically it will show error. But same function I am writing but with different arguments like type of arguments and number of arguments. I am changing the arguments. So that's the reason it will not show any error. This concept is called overloading concept. If at all a function more than one time in a class, same function I am writing number of times in the class with different arguments. So that the concept is called overloading concept. Before going to this concept, first of all, we should know what is variable. Variable is nothing but it is a name. It is a name given to a one memory location. Given to a one memory location which can hold the value. It is a name given to our memory location which can hold the value. The value will be changed in future. The value will be changed in future. It is a name given to our memory location. It is a name given to our memory location which can hold the value. This is the memory location I am giving name which can hold the value. That value will be changed in future number of times. How many times you want, that many times we can change the value. So that is called variable. Variable advantages. One is reusability. Easy to update. Easy to maintain. That is called variable. And syntax, data type, variable name equal to value. Simply we can write int a equal to ten. This is the variable definition. Variable is nothing but it is a name given to one memory location which can hold the value. The value will be changed in future number of times. How many times you want, that many times we can change the value. So that's the reason we can say it is a variable. Reusability. So main advantage is variable is reusability. Easy to update and easy to maintain. Syntax, data type, variable name equal to value, int a equal to 10. Int a equal to 10. Now go to Eclipse. Right. Today concept is overloading. Go to SRC, click the new class over. If the mark publish start coadmin, click on finish. I'm writing one function. Public static static function I'm writing. Public static add void add add function I'm writing. Int a comma int b. Two arguments I'm taking. Variable definition into CRRES, any name you can take, into variable name equal to value a plus b, a plus b, SYSO control space RES. Right. I wrote one function. Same function I am writing number of times, so automatically it will show you error. It is showing error, but I am changing number of arguments. First function I wrote two arguments. Second function I am writing three arguments, so it will not show error. So first function I am writing integer. So third function I am writing double data type, double data type, double a plus b plus c. It is showing error int a comma int b. Oh, right. This is the concept of overloading concept. Same function, add function. I am writing number of times. First and second is example for number of argument example. First and third is type of argument example. Same function I am writing number of times. So this concept is called overloading concept. Add 10 comma 20. It will execute first function. Add 10 comma 20 comma 30. 10 comma 20 comma 30. It will execute second function. Add 0.2 comma 0.3. It will execute third function. Save, click on run. 30, 60, 0.5. This is the concept, overloading concept. If at all a function more than one time in a class with different arguments like type of arguments, number of arguments, if we write, then that concept is called overloading concept. Concept is over. Next, my doubt. Sir, every time whenever you are declaring function, you are writing void. Why you are writing void? That's your question. Every time whenever you are writing a function, so each and every time you are writing void. Why you are writing void? So that's your question. My explanation is void means I don't want any return value, madam. I don't want any return value. That's the reason I am writing void. If you want a return value in the place of void, we should write data type. Once you will write the data type, it will give the return value. That is the concept. So void means I don't want any return value. If you want return value in the place of void, we should write the data type. Once if you write the data type, it will give the return value. 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 So that is the concept of void concept. Now I want a return value. So what we need to do, in the place of void we should write the data type void. In the place of void we should write the data type int. I am writing int, so that time no need of this statement return, just write simple return. So in the place of void I am writing data type. It will give the return value return. In the place of void I am writing double data type double. It will give the return value. It will give the return value. So that return value we need to store into one variable, into x equal into y equal to double z equal double z equal. Now we can print it. SYSO control space X. SYSO control space Y. SYSO control space Z. We can print it. Same answer we can get it. Save, click and run. 3060 0.5. And you should remember here one thing. If you declare as an integer, we can't pass decimal value. If you want to pass decimal value, so it will show you error. It will show you error. It will show you error. If you want to pass the decimal value, it will show you error. It will show you error. It will show you error. So we can't pass decimal value. We can't pass decimal value. If it is double data type, we can pass the integer values. If it is double data type, we can pass the integer values. Result should be 5.0. Save, click and run. Result should be 5.0. That is the concept of overloading void concept. That is the concept of overloading and void. Overloading and void concept. Overloading and void concept. Save, click on run. 3065.0. So that is the concept of overloading and void concept. Right. Next concept name is object class. Next concept name is object class. What is object class? It is a predefined class in Java. It is a predefined class in Java. Comma. It is a superclass for every class we create in Java. Whenever you are taking new object, whenever you are taking new object, it will store the static information as well as non-static information also. Object class is nothing but it is a predefined class in Java. It is a superclass for Every class we create in Java, whenever you are taking new object, it will store the static information as well as non-static information also. So whenever you are declaring any function, if you write static, then it will treat as a static. If you are not writing anything, it will treat as a non-static. That is the object class use. How Java will know using this object class only. So if you write static, it will treat as a static. If you're not writing any static, then it will treat as a non-static. That is the concept of object class concept. Next, string class. What is string class? It is also predefined class in Java. It is also predefined class in Java. String class having some predefined functions. Whenever using these functions, in class having predefined functions, using these functions, using these functions, we can perform different different operations, different operations. We can perform different operations, different operations only on strings. So string class, it is also predefined class in Java. String class having some predefined functions. Using these functions, we can perform different operations only on strings. So here we have different functions. One is equals. We can compare the two strings. Next is substring. So we can find out the part of the string. We can find out the part of the string length. So we can find out the length of the string and index of that particular character position. We can get using this index of upper to lower. We can change it to upper to lower, upper to lower. We can change it to upper to lower. Next, lower to upper. We can change it to lower to upper. Replace. In the place of single character, we can keep the another character. And replace all. In the place of one string, we can keep another string, replace all. So, equals substring length index of upper to lower, lower to upper, replace all. These are the string class function. These are the string class functions. So equals, we can compare the two strings. If it is both are same, it will give true. Otherwise, it will give false. Substring, we can find out the part of the string length. That particular string character, length we can get it, and index of that particular character position we can get it, and upper to lower. So upper to lower. If it is big letters, so it will change to small letters, and lower to upper. If it is small letters, it will change to big letters. Replace, in the place of one character, we can keep another character. Replace all, in the place of one string, we can keep another string. So it will change to replace. It will change to change. It will change upper to lower, lower to upper, and replace. In the place of single character, we can keep the character. In the string, in the place of one string, we can keep another string also. Replace all. So these are the string class functions. What is the string class functions? We will discuss now. Go to SRs, take the new class str string. If them are a public static environment, click on finish and take the one string. String s equal to life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Take string s1 equal to life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. String s2 equal to life is beautiful. Now SYSO control space s dot equals s1. Both are same or not? S and S1. Tell me, madam, S and S1 both are same or not? S dot S2. S dot equals no. S and S1 both are not equal to Y. Y. S and S1 is not equal to Y. In the S1 I gave extra space, madam. Here is life is beautiful, only one space. Here I gave double space. So both are not same. So even it will concentrate space also. So yeah, S and S2 also not equal to. So that is a small letter, this is a big letters. So false. Right. Length is over. SYSO control space S dot length. What is the length of the string? What is the length of the string? What is the length of the string, ma? Length, each and every position we need to know. 17 answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Answer is 17. If it is S1 is 18. If it is S1, 18. Next, substring. SYSO control space S dot substring of S dot substring 4 comma 12 characters. In between 4 comma 12 characters I need. What is the answer? Is view 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 over. After 4, so 12 also. After 4, okay, 4 is over. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is over. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Life is Beauty. Yes, beaut is beaut is beaut. No, 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 wrong. View. So I'm starting from one, two, three, four. Okay, five space, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Space is view. Answer is space is view. So here count start with 1. Index start with 0. Array index, sorry, index start with 0. Next concept index start with 0. Index start with 0. SYSO control space. So if it is letter or single character or word, it will treat as a 0. So for example, I am writing S dot index of L. What is the answer? Index start with 0. What is the answer? Index start with 0. Where it is located L? In the string where it is located. Zero. Li, Li, Life, Li also zero, madam. Life, life also zero, madam. Life also zero, madam. Life is also zero, madam. Life is beautiful also zero, madam. If it is single word or sentence, it will treat as a zero. Is answer 5, madam. Is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And B or I. I where it is located 1. So here we have number of i's. Which one we will take, sir? So first one only. I. Next, beautiful. 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 So count it. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And Akhil. There is no Akhil. So it will give -1. If it is not there in the string, it will give -1. Save, click on run. -1. Beautiful 8 is 5, I1, remaining all are zeros. Alright. SYSO. If it is not there, it will give -1, madam. S dot replace. In the place of old character, I want to keep the new character. In the place of well, I am keeping new character. Wife is beautiful. Answer is wife is beautiful. Wife is beautiful. In the place of well, I am writing W. SYSO control space is dot replace all. Is dot replace all. In the place of old character, I want to keep new character, new one. Is in the place of is, I want to write very. Life very beautiful. Life very beautiful. Answer is life very beautiful. Right. Yeah, next, convert. SYSO control space H dot to uppercase. It will convert into uppercase. SYSO control space H2 dot to lowercase. It will convert into uppercase and lowercase. This is the concept string class. Save, click on that. So that is the object class string class. Very easy, madam. Very easy. And did you get the yesterday last day recorded file? Did you get the last day recorded file, madam? Savitar.